You have trouble getting professional leads for your business. You're looking for business to business leads. You're not looking to spend a whole lot of money like on Facebook ads or on any type of ads that doesn't generate money, and you kind of prospecting or cold calling. Well, I think I might have the solution for you. There's a site called Now Site, and what they have now is called what's called a sales flow. Well, let me just kind of demonstrate what's going on here. So we're going to edit this search criteria. And what this software does is whatever you put here, like for example, we got business to business marketing. You can also do advanced targeting on, and also to city to state, to different country. They have different job titles, different education, different industries. So, say I'm looking for business to business marketing in, I don't know, we'll just leave that there. So, we'll just do business to business marketing. But say you had like plumbers or um, weight loss or something like that, you just go and click here, and I'll bring up a prospect. So as you can see, it's Mary Fad. Here's her email and all her contact information. Uh, let's see, she's a civil rights, social activist, animal welfare, marketing, analytics, communication. So we can also view the contact, where it kind of tells you her skills and what she's looking for and what she does. You also can look at personality analytics and that stuff. So we're going to just go back to the contact. Go back here, launch, and we're going to launch the sales flow. Gives you your take. Now for professionals, we want to do LinkedIn. The reason why, because Messenger, if you don't know the person, they tend to avoid you. Email, you just don't want to exactly bombard them with email, because I know when I see email in my emails pitching something or somebody I don't know, I kind of just delete it. So what you want to do is go to her LinkedIn, and here is something great. You can write your own message, or they have different messages where you can actually contact direct here. So if you want to contact this person, they do have pre-written scripts on how to contact. Now this at the bottom is just saying connect, and this is just more like a friendly connect. You can look for your objective up here. You can also save as a favorite. So I always like number 2, which says you can read there on the screen. You just kind of highlight it, copy, and then come out here. You can erase all this. Paste it here. Now, you also can add an attachment here. So, say you need them to read a link of YouTube, you want them to come to your website, you will paste it there, and then you kind of name it. You can put it there, and then you will hit save. But I'm not sending any links out, only because I wanted to make contact first before I just start bombarding people with links. Usually when people see links, they might click on it, or they might, if they see a link, they might think it's spam or something. So I kind of want to get my rapport first with the person and see what they kind of do. Now here you're going to actually see how they want you to contact them, because sometimes on LinkedIn this connect might be private. So you kind of want to look at the LinkedIn and make sure that she matches up, or even if she doesn't match up, you can just get her in your funnel of contacts. Maybe you guys can offer each other something. It says tech leader focused on growing revenue and improving brand awareness. So something like this might work for her. So what you want to do is click on follow. See, her messages are locked and you can't messenger. So you'll have to connect to her, and when you connect, you leave a note. Always leave a note, and that note will be the same one you put. It says expanding my network. Hi there, I want to expand my network with fellow professionals who would love to learn what you do and see if we can there's any way we can support each other. Cheers. Great message. Not again, you can put a link there. I tend not to put a link there yet until I build a little rapport with them. A lot of people will just put that link there. Um, just because Sales Pro may not work for them. Salesflow may not work for them. But you want to keep a rapport. Maybe she got some tech stuff that you guys can do business to business. So I'll send that to her, and it's just that simple. And then you'll go back to your now site. Was it yes? Do you want to book a follow up? Yes, always book a follow up. And then what you want to do is put what search criteria you put here. So I know if I was actually pitching her on Salesflow, I'll know what industry she's in, and then I don't have to ask, well, how did I meet her, like that. And then let's just do it again without me explaining, because it looks pretty simple here. So we're just going to do the same search again. You can change your search criteria to anything you like. Well, let me just demonstrate. So we're going to take this and we're going to do let's see, we're gonna let's see, health and wellness. Health and, well, actually, let's do something that's very hard to get leads in: life insurance. So we're gonna put life insurance sales, and then we can actually target a company. So we'll go advanced targeting, life insurance companies. Let's see, Colonial Penn. Colonial Penn. And let's see if it spits out a contact. There's no for Colonial Penn. So, but again, you can do. Let's see. Let's try a different industry. Let's see. Let's try Forex trading, and then let's try something like company IML. Let's try that. Bunch of prospects. So we're actually gonna just not target the company because the company may not be around anymore. There you go. So again, with these specific targets, they may not have a lot of people on LinkedIn. Like Colonial Penn, they didn't have anybody. IML which is a market MLM, so you didn't see that. But this versus NBA Forex trading is in there. So what I want to do is on Salesflow, I want to see him on LinkedIn. Now, if I wanted to add my attachment, that's what I want to do here. Copy here. Put it. Because he might be prospecting. So just in case. And then when they click on that link, you'll get a notification. And nope, go to LinkedIn. Okay, so let's see. You're gonna add the follow, and then you're gonna connect with them. Okay, add note. I'm gonna go back here. We can actually type a note for this. Okay, let's see. Song. Lyrics. And then I'm gonna send them to my page, and then send. Just that easy, guys. So that works for any industry that you guys are looking for. I'm gonna do some more videos on this subject here. Uh, Click like, subscribe if you like the videos, and continue watching the channel.